In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create an account on FreeTaxUSA. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to FreeTaxUSA.com. Once from here, it should be looking something like this, where you can see you can get a federal for $0. From here, you'll simply need to click Start Your Return, and once you get into here, you'll need to go over to where it says New User over here. Once from here, you'll see this blue icon over here called Create New Account, and you'll just simply need to click on it. Once from here, you'll be asked if you want to add in the email address, a specific username, your phone number, which is recommended, and a password. I will say the phone number is recommended, but it's not optional to create an account. Once you have filled all of these details, you'll simply need to click Create New Account to get on the application page. Once from here, you'll simply need to be asked how you're feeling about your taxes. So either you can choose confident, neutral, or overwhelmed and get started here. And then from here, you'll be asked a bunch of different questions in the personal regime, income, deduction and credit, mischievous, summary, state, and the final steps before you can actually get into FreeTaxUSA and use it properly. You'll simply just need to answer them truthfully and insert all of your details, and then from here you'll have successfully created an account on FreeTaxUSA for free. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!